Welcome back to Auto Fusion, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about performance sedans of the year, 2026 BMW M3. This machine continues to carry the legendary legacy of BMW's M division, but with some new twists that might surprise you. Whether you're a longtime M enthusiast or someone considering your next high-performance daily driver, this video will give you all the details, impressions, insights you need to know about the 2026 BMW M3. Right off the bat. Let's talk design, because BMW isn't holding back anymore. The front fascia continues the bold and aggressive language introduced in previous models, but it's been refined. The kidney grills are still large, yes, but now slightly reshaped to integrate better with the sharper LED headlights. The air intakes are more aggressive and functional this time around, channeling more air into the cooling system, which the new powertrain definitely needs. From the side, the flared wheel arches and deep character lines remind you this isn't your typical Sedan series. It's the M3, and it wants you to know it. At the rear, BMW has gone with a more aerodynamic diffuser, quad exhaust pipes with an optional titanium setup, and redesigned old taillights that stretch wide and give the rear a low planted stance. New lightweight alloy wheel options range up to 20 inches in the front and 21 in the rear, with optional carbon ceramic brakes peeking through, and if you opt for the M Carbon package, expect even more weight savings and performance tweaks. Under the hood is where the magic really happens. The 2026 BMW M3 keeps the twin, turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six, known as the S58 engine, but this time, it's been tuned for more power and better efficiency. The standard M3 now produces around 530 horsepower, a jump from the previous model. If you go for the M3 Competition X-Drive, you're looking at 560 horsepower and nearly 550 pounds-ft of torque, delivered with breathtaking urgency. What's interesting is that BMW has refined the power band in this model. The torque curve is flatter and comes in sooner, meaning acceleration feels immediate whether you're launching from a stoplight or overtaking on the highway. The 0 to 60 miles per hour time for the Competition X-Drive version? Just under 3.3 seconds, making it faster than some supercars from just a few years ago. Transmission-wise, the 6-speed manual lives on, but only in the base rear-wheel drive M3. If you want the competition trim, we'll get the 8-speed M-Steptronic automatic with paddle shifters. BMW has also improved shift logic in manual mode, making it feel more connected and reactive to driver inputs. Rear-wheel drive purists can still enjoy the old-school fun, but the X-Drive all-wheel drive models are now even better at splitting torque with a rear-biased nature that makes drifting on a track, or controlled slides easier and more accessible. Inside, the 2026 M3 gets a serious technology upgrade. BMW has integrated the latest curved display, a single-piece digital panel that stretches from the instrument cluster to the center infotainment screen. It's running BMW Operating System 9, with improved graphics, quicker response times, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The climate controls are now integrated into the screen, which may take some getting used to, but it cleans up the dashboard significantly. One of the most exciting additions is the M Drift Analyzer, a feature that records your drift angle, distance, and style, perfect for track days or just having fun on private roads. It's also included is EM mode, which allows you to customize your driving experience, adjusting steering weight, throttle response, brake feel, and even the digital gauge cluster to suit your preference. Material quality is excellent. Optional M Carbon bucket seats are back, now with slightly more padding and heating functionality. You can still opt for merino leather, Alcantara inserts, or a mix of both. Ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, Harman Kardon, or optional Bowers, and Wilkins sound system. It's all here if you're willing to tick a few boxes. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 M3 includes the full suite of BMW's driver assistance features: adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and for the first time, hands-free highway driving on select routes via BMW's updated highway assistant. when it comes to driving dynamics. BMW has refined everything: suspension tuning, chassis stiffness, electronic differential controls, and even tire compounds have been optimized. The result is a car that feels more precise and more confidence-inspiring than ever. Body roll is minimal, turn-in is sharper, and the feedback through the steering wheel is finally more natural, thanks to a new software update that enhances the variable steering system. Fuel economy has improved slightly, especially in eco-driving modes. But let's be honest, nobody's buying an M3 for fuel efficiency. That said, BMW has added a mild hybrid system with a 48-volt starter generator, which not only helps reduce emissions, but gives a small torque boost during acceleration. Customization is a big part of the M3 experience now. BMW offers an expanded individual program, letting you choose unique paints, interior trims, and stitching combinations. Want your M3 in frozen tanzanite blue with gold calipers and a red leather interior? You can do that. Pricing starts around $76,000 for the base model, with the M3 Competition X-Drive pushing past $90,000 once you start adding options. It's not cheap, but what you get is a race-bred, street-legal beast that's just as comfortable carving canyon roads as it is cruising on the highway or picking up the kids from school. And here's the real kicker. BMW is rumored to be working on a limited production M3 CS touring variant for global markets, meaning the M3 could soon be available as a high-performance wagon. Stay tuned, because that could change the game entirely. The 2026 BMW M3 isn't trying to reinvent itself. It's refining and evolving in the right direction. More power, better tech, enhanced handling, and all the emotional connection that the M badge promises. Whether you're a purist looking for manual rear-wheel drive thrills, or someone wanting the all-weather grip of X-Drive, with Autobahn dominating power, the M3 continues to offer a rare blend of performance, luxury, and everyday USA by lit. So, what do you think of the 2026 BMW M3? Is it worth the upgrade? Would you choose the manual or the X-Drive competition? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Auto Fusion, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest cars, reviews, and news from around the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more high-octane content only here on Auto Fusion.